So to blur an object, you need to go to effect here and you look for Gaussian blur. This is it here. You drag and you drop your Gaussian blur into your clip. Once you drag and drop it, you look for your Gaussian blur here. Let's turn it off first. Let's turn it off. Then all we have to do now is to mask her face. So select our pen tool here. Once you select our pen tool, draw a shape. Let's draw a circle, a round shape. Alright, so let's blur this face. Then once you draw your marks, you come to your effect control here and you change this to opacity max. You drag, you drop it to Gaussian blur. Yeah, you drop it. Make sure you drop it in this your Gaussian blur here. Then you turn in the Gaussian blur. Yeah, so this is it. Yeah, and add some feathers. Let's add some feathers to the marks that we drew. It doesn't look smooth. So yeah, so let's add some feathers. We add some feathers. Expand it a bit. Yeah, some feathers. Add some feathers. You play with the expansion and the feathers here. Make it good. Then yeah, so this is it. We'll mark the area we want to blur. So yeah, for you to track it, what you have to do to track it is to make sure that whatever she's doing is actually like blurring her face or blurring the object that you want to blur. What you have to do is to track it. So to track it, you come here to what you marked, to your marked area, and you select this track selected marks forward. Yeah, we're going forward. So whenever the thing just finish loading, you've gotten what you want. Okay guys, so this is it. If you have any question, you can let me know.